girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And yes, honey, I am at my favorite place, Applebee's. One of my favorite places. And yes, y'all, I'm going to be trying that new steak fajita roll-up. Okay, looks good. Got the fries on deck. Starving. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me take both of them out. These things look juicy good. Juicy good. What is this? What they do is just sit there. Alright. I guess it's like whatever. But anywho, it looks like it got a lot of good veggies in it. Hold on, let me do this right, because this looks good. Time to chew. All right, first bite's for you. That's bomb. And it comes with this Texas ranch dip. See how this tastes with it. This is good. Fries. Y'all, it's like 65 degrees down here. It's really hot. I love they fries. That's getting pretty good. It's hitting. It's a Carbanga. That is good, y'all. I love when Applebee's come out with something new. I can almost eat Applebee's every day. I don't know if y'all can hear them talking. Oh, it's hot. Today is a hot day. This is so good. Nice cold. Scared of you. Nice cold ice water. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I hit the spot. Mm, 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 mm. You guys have to try this. Applebee's new steak roll-up. Steak fajita. It's the bomb. Well, I just want to check in with you guys. Hope you all enjoy your Taco Tuesday. All right, y'all. Until next time, peace and love.